大家好，我是方老师。夏天有星星，秋天也有星星。夏天 summer 有 has there is 星星 stars 夏天有星星 summer has stars or you can say there are stars in summer 秋天 autumn 也 also too 有 has there is 星星 stars Autumn also has stars, or you can translate, there are also stars in autumn. In lesson 33, we have learned 汉字秋 means autumn.
秋 is composed of
禾 and 火. 禾 means rice plant or green.
when 禾 becomes a radical, it often changes its form to make room for other components in the character.
In autumn, 秋, the rice plant
is ready to be harvested.
and 秋
Autumn is also very dry and can easily catch fire.
So 禾 and 火 get together, create a 新汉字秋 autumn. Now let's see
how the 汉字也 evolved into its current form.
So that's 汉字也 means also too. That's the object. And Chinese drew the outlines. And gradually they evolved like this. And this is the stroke orders. This 小汉字 are 字体 font. Because the evolution took long time, hundreds of thousands of years, and they have different font. 字体 That's the object. The object here is this. So that's people used to wash their hands. And this bowl or container can hold water. And this object or tool also can hold water.
And people drew the object like this, and the water flowed down.
Gradually, the meaning become like also too. Also can hold water, can wash your hands too. That's the real picture of this object, the drawing. And that's the regular common people family use. It's very simple, very functional. And this one is the same thing, but it's in the rich people's family. It's more designed, has different pattern on it. And the drawing is more like this one. Okay, follow stroke orders by using your hands. Stay with me. 也again 也夏天有蛇，秋天也有蛇。Summer has snakes. Autumn also has snakes. Or you can translate, there are snakes in summer. There are also snakes in autumn. Say with me. 夏天有蛇，秋天也有蛇。In lesson 33, we've learned 汉字蛇. That's the 蛇, snake. And Chinese drew the outlines and gradually evolved like this.
As we mentioned earlier, 汉字和 and 火 can be combined to form a 新汉字秋. Now let's check out some examples of how 汉字也 combines with other 汉字to make 新汉字.
In lesson 19, we've learned 汉字人 means people, person, human.
When 人 becomes a radical,
it will transform itself like this.
that way it leaves more space for 也 to come in and form a
新汉字他 means he or him. He is also a human. In lesson 21, we've learned 汉字女 means female, woman, girl, daughter. So the P on the top is 女, N-U with two dots on the top. Our keyboard doesn't have this U. So when you type NV. So you can find 汉字女.
When 汉字女 becomes a radical, it also needs to change its form to leave space for 也 on the right, so they can combine to form a 新汉字.
她 means she or her. She is also female. 她不喜欢蛇。她也不喜欢蛇。她 he 她 she. He doesn't like snakes. She also doesn't like snakes. And this way you can also translate she doesn't like snakes either. Here's the sentence unscramble for you to practice today's lesson. And you just move the 汉字 around to match the P on the top.
Go ahead and scan this QR code to check it out.
If you like my video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share.
谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。